Alright folks, we back at it again. I'm home. Tonight, we're going to stick to some 3.5s again. Here's another exceptional load that I really, this is the one that I usually shoot when I was shooting them in my son's gun. But this is a really good 3.5. It's not quite as tight because we're going to use 3.5 in a 3-inch White Lightning TPS. These are pretty common. You can get them, sometimes they got them, sometimes they're slowed down on them. But it's basically the same principle. 3.5-inch Fiocchi, 34 grains of blue dot. Well, this is IMR powder, excuse me. 34 grains of IMR. Then a 3-inch White Lightning TPS wad. Then here's the thing I do different when I use these. I use 20 gauge felt cushion wads. They're 1/4 inch thick. They're felt, but they work great inside of these White Lightning TPSs, and they go in so easy. And they're already pre-cut. You ain't got to do nothing. You just drop one in, ram it down. There it is, all the way down in the bottom. 1/4 inch felt 20 gauge wad. Then, as usual, 18 pellets of 32 caliber. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 pellets. And it's one stack above the TPS 3-inch White Lightning wad. Then I cover up with buffer powder. These are what we're going to be using tomorrow because I'm actually getting to go hunting tomorrow. Cardboard, 12 gauge overshot card. There's paper. Stick it over top of my buffer powder. Come back to the 6-point crimp. Light 6-point crimp. Over to the final stage. There it is, folks. 3.5-inch, 18 pellet double aught. As you've seen, I always throw a little clear fingernail polish on to seal them up so water don't get in there my buffer and all. They less likely to unfold open. Let's do one more real quick, and then I got to load some 3-inch, and I got to load about 100 3.5s, 100 double aughts, because well, the guys have run out of ammo. So we got to kind of get everything together for the last couple weeks of the season, the last push of the season. Then we'll all be depressed and want to drink beer. And a lot of y'all know I got a little too much into Applejack brandy last night. Ooh. I was going to reload, I swear I was. I didn't know that was going to happen. But I'd been on the road for over a month and a half, so. Oh, there we go. 34 grains again. IMR blue. Once again, 3-inch TPS White Lightning wad. 1/4 inch 20 gauge felt wad. Down inside my White Lightning. It just keeps from blowing the seal out. Plus it gives a little bit of cushion for these hard launches on these 3.5s. 18 pellets once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 pellets of 32 cal. Once again, covered up with buffer. .12 gauge cardboard overshot card. Over top of it, 6-point crimp back station on your lead load all. Another one, folks. 3.5-inch. We'll do one more so everybody sees it real good. Being my powder's flowing good. 34 grains again. IMR blue. 3-inch White Lightning TPS wad. 1/4 inch 20 gauge felt wad. 18 pellets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 pellets, 32 cal. Buffer powder. Buffer is actually optional, folks. You don't have to have it. But at extended ranges, I like it. It seems to make the pattern and keep the pellets from deforming. 12 gauge cardboard overshot card. 6-point crimp. Final crimp. There it is again, folks. 3.5 inch double aught. 18 pellets. Alright, let me think of another one. We on to the next.